Hi guys, my name is Gayatri and today we are learning different type of activities. So if you're watching this video, it is the easiest thing ever. We get bored doing the same thing, so we can do more activities. We're gonna find the missing things. So let's find them. Each circles like this. 5, 4, 3. 4, 3, 5. 3, 5. What is it? What's missing? Yes. See, there's a missing number. So let's see. Missing dots. Yeah. So the answer is 4 to it. Yes, 4. Because see, it has no 4. Well, you will think like, yes, duh, it's what 4's right there. But no, it's 3. So 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not a good handwriting. See, I did 4 dots. Let's try these missing numbers now. You will be like, hey, these are not the same. They're not, because we're trying another activity. Yes. So you'll say, what is this? Yes, skip counting. You'll see 1, but you're not going to write another one. It's like this. 1, 2. Write a 2. 3, 4, 5. Write a 5. Like that. Yes. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7. See? This activity completed. Now this one. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. Activity completed. Now this one. It's skip counting. Let's do this skip counting. It's a caterpillar. But let's don't concentrate on that. Let's concentrate on skip counting right here. So you see skip counting right here. 9, and then, yes, 10. 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then, yes, 15. This is a different activity. If you don't know this activity, let me explain it. So you see D. So it's like this. D1, D2, D3, D4. Like this one too. C1, C2, C. Okay. B1, B2, B3, B4. A1, A2, A3, A4. Now let's begin. So see, it says D3. So we are going to do D3 to D4. So we are lining like this. So D, so we have a line right here to right here. D4 to B4. Yes, let's do it. B3. So let's do B3. B3 done. Now D3. D3 now. Let's do. Now our rectangle shape is done. Now, but this is not done yet. So we keep gonna go on. So next to A3. So we're going to start A to A3. So A here, let's do a line from B1. Stop right there. B1. So you see that we made a shape right there. So this line comes to A1. We made a shape. Watching this video, subscribe, like, and share. And the best thing is to have fun. And don't forget the bell. Ding dong. Bye.